Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to change the lowercase letters to uppercase letters. So we have like few list of names displayed here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it as is equal to upper, select the cell and close the, click on enter. You see here, right? The data has been changed from lowercase to uppercase letter. Similarly, you can select the values and drag it till where you wanted. And you will see the data being updated to uppercase letters from lowercase. This is how we will be converting the lowercase letters to uppercase letters in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials.